So in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not letting you to log in. So if you are having problem while you are trying to log in into your TikTok account, so in this video I will show you 2 to 3 steps to fix this problem. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, now close your TikTok app like this. After you close your TikTok app, now long press your hand on your TikTok app. After you long press your hand, now tap on this where it says app info, this one. After you open the app info, now allow it to finish loading. Scroll to down and tap on this where it says, as you can see now, storage and cache. Tap on it. After you come to this session, now tap on this clear storage. So just go and clear all the storage of your TikTok app. After you tap on this OK, now it will clear all your storage of the TikTok app. So after you clear the storage, now go back, go to your Play Store or App Store, the second step. After you come to your Play Store or App Store, that's the second step. Search for TikTok like this. Allow it to finish loading. So after you open up the TikTok like this, now it will allow you now to update the TikTok because it has update. That's why you are getting just problem while trying to log into your TikTok account. So tap on this update button to update your TikTok app. So after you finish updating your TikTok app, now go back and close the TikTok. Now remove the TikTok app from the minimize section like this. After you remove it, now go and open your TikTok like this. After you open up your TikTok like this, now it will prompt you to wait for some seconds like this. So after you come to this session, now tap on this, as you can see now, it will allow you now to log in. Now tap on this session profile. After you tap on this profile, it will prompt you to log in, as you can see now. Because I have already logged in, that's why it will prompt you to log in using your phone number or using your Gmail account and your password. So just go ahead and type in your login information. It will allow you to log in. That's it on how to fix this problem. Hope this video helps you out. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys.